In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your difficulty within your game on Hogwarts Legacy. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Hogwarts Legacy game on your device, and when you start your new game, you will be prompted to choose your desired difficulty right at the beginning. But if you wish to change it within your game in the middle, then simply pause your game by pressing the Start button. Then from the left menu, you will need to navigate into the gameplay options where you can find the controller and the gear icon. Here at the very beginning, you can now find the difficulty option. Just click on the current difficulty that has been chosen, and now you have 4 different modes. The story mode will have very little challenge, and you can complete the game relatively easy. Same goes for easy mode, but there will be some challenges. Then comes the normal option, which is a balanced experience. If you want some more challenge, you can also switch to the hard option. Go ahead and click on your desired game mode, and once you have made your selection, simply go back and your changes will be saved. After this point on, you can continue your game forward with the difficulty level that you have just chosen. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your in-game difficulty level on the Hogwarts Legacy game. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.